Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Design Mention. So today we are going to discuss about the transformation feature toolbar. So in this feature toolbar there are four types of commands. So first is a transformation transformation command. Second one is a mirror. Third one is a pattern, in which pattern there are rectangular, circular and user pattern. In last one is a scaling and affinity. So we'll discuss these commands in details one by one. So for now, we will discuss in this lecture. There are two commands, which is this transformation feature toolbar and mirror. So we'll discuss one by one. So for that, I have drawn this rectangular feature. So in this body, so we will try to create a first feature, which is named as a translation. So for this translation, I just wanted to create translation for this body. So I just simply click on the command. So the software will ask you the axis. So to create the transformation, so you have to just click yes, and this is the transformation definition toolbar. So here you can select vector definition. So there are three commands in that. You can do this translation by using the distance and direction, or by point to point or coordinate system. So we'll discuss first one, direction and distance. So first one, I have to select the direction. So for example, I have select the y direction, okay, and dimension. So I just add the dimension. So you can see the view how the translation command is performed. So okay, this is the first feature, which is direction, by using the direction and distance. So second one is the point to point. So this is a point to point, so I have to take the points. So first, in this x direction, I have select take the dimension of point on the x direction, 150 distance. So I select the translation, click OK, and direction, this is x direction, sorry, this is point to point. So my start point is this one and end point is this one, okay. This is how it will perform. Simply body move from that point to this point, okay. So this is the point to point translation. So last one is a coordinate. So in this you can define the coordinates from the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So I just give the inputs 50 and 150 and click OK. So see how it will be moved, okay. So next one is a rotation. So in the rotation command, so we need the axis. So we have to just simply click on the rotation. Here you have to select yes. Here definition mode, you have to ask the axis and angle. Here also the three types of modes you can rotate the body. So first is a axis angle, second one is axis to element, third one is a 3 point. So we'll take a axis and angle. So for example, I have to select this y axis, okay. Y axis, I just wanted to rotate it on the 45 degree, and I just click on OK. You can see with the reference of the y-axis, this body is rotate 45 degree. Okay, you can change the axis and angle as per our requirement. ठीक है, तो next is a axis to element, right? So for that we need the two element. So I just simply draw one part also. So I will draw the sketch on that plane. So I have just draw the simple rectangle. Okay, and add this material pad. Okay, so now I select the rotate. Yes, this is the axis to element. So axis, so I wanted to select rotate this body regarding this z axis. Okay, so first element is, I will select this first element. Okay, oh sorry, so we need also one point. Can take a point or take a body. So I have to take here a point on the 150 mm distance. So click on the rotate, select the axis to element. So I have select the z axis. First element is point, second element is this body. Okay, so you can see the result. This part body move here. Okay, so this is the second type of rotation. So next one is a 3 point. So I need to generate the 3 points. So I have select 0, 100 on the y-axis direction. I have created these 2 points. So for example, I have select the rotate. Yes, definition mode, 3 points. So first point is this one, second one is this one, and third one is this one. So you can see the how the body is rotated according to these 3 points. Okay, so I just delete this. Okay, you can see the result. This is the rotate according to the defining the 3 points. So this is all about the rotate command. So next one is a next command is symmetry. So symmetry is simply, I just select take a reference from the axis at the distance 150 mm. Okay, so I just wanted to move this body with the reference of that plane. Okay, so select transformation. This is symmetry. This is a reference, and you can see the result. This body move with the reference, with selecting the reference element plane. Here is the result. Okay, so next command is axis to axis. So for this command I have to generate the axis regarding this point. So I just take it from here. Okay, so I just create a axis system on that point. So insert axis system. So this is my origin. Okay, so here you can see the axis system. I just wanted to reverse the direction of z axis. Okay, you can do as per our requirement. And okay, so here the axis system generated at with respect to this point. So for now I select the axis to axis command. Here you have to select the yes reference. So this is my reference plane, and target, this is my target, means I want to transformation of this body according with the reference of this axis to axis definition to target to the this target axis. So I select the target axis. You can see the result. Okay, so that's all about this transformation feature toolbar. So next command is our mirror. So this mirror command, I just take the plane also from the 150 mm dimension. So select next one is a plane mirror. So this for this mirror I just need to select the plane reference element. Okay, and just click OK. For the definition of the mirror, you have to just select this command and select the reference element. You will get the result. Okay, so this is the mirror element. Okay guys, if you have any doubt in this lecture, so please do comments. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.